Hello traders, hope you are all doing great. So there is a word called maniac, there is a word called maniac. So if you just Google it, what is maniac, it will show you what is maniac. A person who behaves in a wild and stupid way is called a maniac, right? And why am I saying this? Right? Because why did we gap down yesterday? Why did we gap down today morning? Because US markets have gapped down, right? US markets were trading in the red, and in fact today morning also US futures was in the red. Then why did we go up? Actually Nifty went up by more than 250 points and Bank Nifty went up by 700 points. Why did we go up? Because US futures are going up. And now, as I talk to you, when our markets were closing, US futures, I think Dow Jones was up by 150 points, S&P, Nasdaq was all in the green. Now it is in the red, and XTX Nifty is showing a 50 points down. Now tomorrow it is going to gap down. This is simply irrational and unmatured market, unmatured retailers. You think whatever you think and you comment whatever you comment. I don't care, right? I don't know how to explain this market. There is no positive news at all, and there is nothing to be happy about, and weeks coming down, all this. This is just an opportunity to sell more call option. Even now you can go and sell 17,000 call option. Just to give you a perspective, all this is happening. Our markets are reacting to US markets, right? But you see the European markets. Today, Europe markets were in the red, and it is trading in the red. In spite of US futures going into the green, even Dow Jones went up by 200 points. Still, European markets are red only. Now it is trading in red only. It opened in red and it is trading in red. Just because US futures are in the green, it never turned green. That is a matured market. We are simply stupids and unmatured market. I don't know how to illustrate or how to say or how to describe our people, and I don't know what to say. Anyway, now this is just an opportunity. As I told you, this is just an opportunity to sell for FIIs. 16,800 and all, it will not touch. If you go and sell 17,000, which is trading at around 30 or 35 rupees, 16th June expiry, next week expiry, you will make excellent money, right? There is no positive news at all. And when it comes to news, tomorrow around 6 p.m. Tomorrow evening, we have US jobs, not US jobs data, US inflation data is going to come out, which is expected around 8 point. Above 8. So they have not confirmed. They are saying they are expecting inflation is going to be more than 8, and they are likely it is. That is what is like today. US market will come to know whether how they are going to digest this news. So what is going to be their anticipation or how they are going to digest this? Anyway, for sure, I am saying you. Tomorrow there is going to be a gap down. You mark my words. Tomorrow there is a gap down, and even if there is gap up, it will be sold into, and they will bring it downside. We are simply irrational. We are simply I don't know how to say. Anyway, you don't think, by the way I am talking like this, you don't think I made losses. In fact, this week we made good profit. Not good profit, I would say decent profit, or we recovered some of the losses which we made in the month of May, right? So this is the market, and if you know, Nifty has gone up by more than open was around 16,242 and high was around 16,500, low was around 16,242 and close was around 16,500, right? So Nifty was Nifty was a performer. Bank Nifty was not performing. Nifty was performing very well. Bank Nifty for first half of the trading session, it was trading sideways only, but second half of the trading session it went up, and tomorrow we really don't know what is going to happen, and 16,500 will act as a good resistance, I think. And looking at all these things, markets are going to be volatile for next 2 days. That is tonight in US and tomorrow in our markets. We'll see the reaction, and maybe Monday also. We'll have to wait what is going to be the price action tomorrow, and we'll have to wait on Monday. And if you see the Bank Nifty, as I told you, was kind of better. Like it was not performing in first half trading session, but second half it was up and well and going on the green side, on the upper side. And if you see the stocks, Reddy's was up by 2.95%, BPCL was up by 2.76%, Reliance was a star performer today, it was up by 2.74%, and if you see Bank of Baroda, in Bank Nifty, Bank of Baroda was up by 1.45%, Kotak, and even HDFC was up by, HDFC was in fact flat. So that is a heavyweight, right? And I haven't got the FII data till now, but I'm sure they would have bought. Even if they buy, they will buy in small quantities only, just to fool us, right? Once they have market goes significantly on the upper side, they will hit it very hard. They are going to sell more. Actually, we are just giving you, we are just giving them an opportunity to sell the market. So till now, till last 30 days, they have sold for around 55,000 crores. Last 1 week alone, they have sold for 11,398 crores. And this is not going to stop. Markets are going to be highly volatile in the coming days. You will have to figure out how to make or how to devise strategies to trade these kind of markets, right? Otherwise it is going to be very hard for us. We cannot sustain in this kind of way, and actually we have reduced our volume significantly, not significantly. Now I am trading, just to give you an perspective, I trade around 100 to 150 lots. You know how much we are trading now? Just 10 to 15 lots, not even 15 lots, just 10 lots only. So we have reduced our volume drastically because of this volatility. So that's why that's a kind of markets we are going through, and I really don't know. And I will tell you honestly, I find it very hard to make money in this market. This kind of volatility I have not seen in my whole trading career. And we don't know how long this is going to be, and this is not good for the market. It is this way we cannot trade at all. It's very, very hard to trade, right? Anyway, that's what I'm saying. You don't think because I talk like this, I am negative and I have lost money. Last month we lost money, but we will recover those losses. We have seen many losses, and this is a part of trading. If you are a trading professional, you have to go through the losses. There is no way you will make only profit. Nowadays, if you go and see social media, Twitter, I don't know how these people every day crores and crores of rupees, 1 crore, 2 crore, 5 crore, 7 crore, not lakhs and all, or not thousands and all, only in crores. They make money only in crores. Anyway, let's see how things pan out. As of now, still now I am saying go and sell 17,000 call option. Markets are likely to go down. There is no way, or I wouldn't say no way. If the market touches 17,000, there is not going to be any buying interest. You need a strong momentum. You need a strong buying interest for the markets to go above 17,000, 17,500 or 18,000. When the market hits 17,000, that momentum or that buying interest is not in existence. So what happens is immediately there is a big sell-off, and that is what is happening for last few days. And I am sure till now, even now, as I talk to you, 16,700 call option I have sold. And if you see, I will if the market touches 16,700, we will just try to make some other trades. And as of now, US futures are in the red. I think it's in the green now. Yeah. Before I started taking this video, this US futures was down by around, it was flat. Now it is up by 95 points. And I'm sure SGX Nifty also would have come into green. So we are simply trading the US markets. We are not trading Indian markets. We don't have any sentiment. We don't have any emotional. Everything is based on US market. If US market is going down, we go down. If US market goes up, we go up. That is what is happening. We don't have any personal issues. We don't have any personal emotions, right? Let us see how things pan out. Nothing much. Let's hope for the best. I have sold call options and I'll continue to sell call options in the coming days. Whenever the market rises, we will sell call option. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.